Hello, thank you for purchasing the 1x1 Ganjagrid plant vibration trainer. This video is how to assemble your single pot / container system. First, locate the 4 green knobs as they are an indicator of the top side of your Ganjagrid. Next, remove your chandelier mount and place to the side, as this will be demonstrated in another video. Next, take your Ganjagrid and flip it over. Your Ganjagrid comes with 4 Z-stands and 4 extenders. These are bundled and attached to the Ganjagrid using purse locks. Purse locks will be used throughout your grow as a way to attach your plants to the Ganjagrid for the best transmitting of vibration. Purse locks work by bending each leg over one another to lock, as shown. Untwist them to unlock. Do not discard these. Go ahead and remove the purse locks from the extender bundle and the Z-stand bundle. Once you have these unlocked, flip your Ganjagrid back over. Go ahead and remove the extenders and place to the side, as these will be shown in another video as well. Remove your Z-stands and unlock the remaining purse locks from the bundle. Again, do not discard, as these will be used again in the future. 4 of them will be used specifically to attach your Z-stand to your Ganjagrid. Once you have your purse locks removed, you can now separate your Z-stands. Go ahead and turn your Ganjagrid back over and locate the Z part of your Z-stands. They will be placed into the 4 corners of the Ganjagrid, and the 90-degree bend will be placed at the inner square near the transmitter plate. Place your Z-bend into the outer square and then lock the 90-degree bend into the Ganjagrid, like shown. Flip it over. Take one of your purse locks, send it through the Z-stand and down through the Ganjagrid. Flip it over and lock into place. It is important to note that when you install the second Z-stand, that you do so on the opposite corner of the first one that you installed. This is to ensure that the Ganjagrid is assembled symmetrically, and it makes it easier to install the 3rd and 4th Z-stand if this is the way you do it. Go ahead and lock that second one, and again, it should look like this, one on each corner. Then take your 3rd Z-stand, place the Z-bend into the square, lock the 90-degree into the inner square, flip it over, send your purse lock through the Z-stand and down through the Ganjagrid, flip it over, and then lock into place. We'll go ahead and show you the final one as well. Z-bend in, 90 degree down, locks into place. Flip it over. Install your purse lock down through the Ganjagrid. Lock it into place. And now you have your 1x1 Ganjagrid plant vibration trainer ready to be installed into your single pot container. Note, the Z-stands can be placed down into the substrate, or they can be easily bent and manipulated to attach to containers. Remember to like and share. Thank you.